Welcome to PROPLATE. Today, we'll walk through the different functions of user management. Start by clicking the menu icon to open the main menu. Select User Management from the available options. Enter the username for the new user in the provided field. For this demo, we will set the username to be PROPLATE. Click the company name field to expand the drop-down menu. If multiple companies are linked to your account, they will appear in the drop-down. Select the company or companies associated with the new user. For this demo, we will choose Demo Company, Inc. Enter the user's first name in the first name field. For this demo, we will set the first name to be PROPLATE. Enter the user's last name in the last name field. For this demo, we will set the last name to be Demo. Enter the user's email address in the email field. The system will send their login credentials to this address. For this demo, we will use support@proplate.pro as the email. Click the Role field to see available user roles. The role determines the user's permissions. For this demo, we will select the admin role. Click the Status field to open the Status dropdown. Select Active to allow immediate access, or choose Inactive if they need to be activated later. Click Save to add the new user to the system. The new user will now appear in the tabled list below. To filter users, click the Filter by dropdown in the table header. Select Active to view only active users. Click the Status dropdown again to modify the filter. You can filter by inactive or deleted statuses as needed. Click the three dots next to a user to open the action menu. Select Edit to update the user's information at the top of the screen. Scroll up to see that the selected user's information is now editable. Click the three dots again to reopen the action menu. Select Change Password to modify the user's password. Enter the new password, ensuring it meets all system criteria. Re-enter the password in the Confirm Password field to create the new password and ensure they match. Once the passwords match, click OK to confirm the change. If you click Close, the system will ask if you want to discard your changes. Click Discard Changes to exit without updating the password. Click the three dots again to reopen the action menu. Select Manage Permissions to adjust the user's permissions. To enable or disable a permission, simply check or uncheck the corresponding box. To apply all permissions, click Select All. To remove all, click Deselect All. After editing permissions, click the back arrow to return to the main screen. Click the three dots to reopen the action menu. Select Inactive to set the user's status as inactive. You can confirm the user's inactive status in the Status section. Click the three dots again to open the action menu. Click the Active option to reactivate the user in the system. Click the three dots again to open the action menu. Select Delete to begin the process of removing the user from the system. Confirm the deletion when prompted by clicking OK. Deleted users will appear with a strike-through in the tabled list. Click the three dots to open the action menu for a deleted user. Select Delete Permanently to begin the final deletion process. Confirm that the user cannot be recovered by clicking OK or choose No, thanks to Cancel. Click the three dots to open the action menu for a deleted user. To restore a deleted user, click Recover. The user will return as inactive until reactivated. In this demo, you've learned all the essential functions of the user management screen. For further assistance, contact us at support@proplate.pro. To see what PROPLATE TM can do for you, feel free to schedule a demo with us today.